Subscribe to Cooking and Travel by Dr. Papure Borua and press on the bell icon for all notifications. Good morning everybody and welcome to another episode where I'm going to show you a typically and authentically Assamese recipe. It is whole mas mular lagot. That means it's a type of fish curry that we make with radish. Radish, as everybody knows, is full of vitamins and calcium and magnesium, and this particular recipe is something that will make you feel so good about having fish. So let's start making this wonderfully delicious recipe. For this recipe, I will need a big radish. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut the radish into small pieces there, and one potato chopped like this, and one big onion chopped small, 2 big teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 bay leaf, 1 red chili, and I've used here whole mas or whole fish, which is around 4 pieces that I've used. And of course we'll be needing some turmeric and some salt, and the entire cooking will be done in mustard oil. As you can see, I've already smeared and fried the piece of fish. I've smeared it with salt and turmeric and very slightly fried it. I would also like to add a few dry ingredients. I've used here 1 small teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 small teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 small teaspoon of coriander powder. These are the only spices that will go into this curry. Now let me show you how I go about cutting this for the recipe. For that, what I'll do is I'll scrape off the peel there and just cut it like this, 4 sides, and in a way very thin. Okay, so this is the size that I'm going to cut it in, very thin slices. I'll take the entire thing and slice off like this. Even for the potatoes, I'll cut it in the same manner, but it will be a little thicker. The potatoes will be thicker than the radish there, right? So this is the size of the potatoes that I'll cut the pieces into. 1 potato that I've taken. Mustard oil where I had fried the pieces of fish there. I'm first of all going to fry the pieces of potatoes. So this way I'll fry the pieces of potato till they have a little beautiful brown tinge on the sides there. When they get a color like this, you're going to remove it from the pan. In the same oil, I'll now first put in the red chili, the bay leaves, and the next thing that goes in, the onion there, and I'll give it a nice. Always increase the number of onions if you wish to. When onions begin to caramelize, I'm throwing in the ginger garlic paste there. It's a 1 small teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and we'll fry on till all the rawness disappear. We'll now drop in the haldi powder, turmeric powder. I've used 1 small teaspoon of haldi powder. And also all the dry spices that I have talked about, all these will also go into the recipe now. And we'll give it a nice mix. We can use a little bit of water if we do not want our dry ingredients to really burn up. So just use a little water. So I've used half a cup of water, hot boiling water, and this will help the entire process to quicken up, and all the spices will be very well coated and actually cook up. I'll also drop in a little bit of salt at this moment, but be careful, we already have salt in the pieces of fish that we have fried. So this way we'll just let all the water almost dry up, and then when we'll introduce the radish there. Now as you can see, it's almost dried up. I'll just put in the radish and try and mix the masala with the radish. Normally kids do not love to have the radish because of the foul smell that it has, but this particular recipe you can make your kids have the radish as a vegetable by itself. I'll also introduce the fried potato pieces and mix up both the radish, the masalas, the fried pieces, and then lower the flame to medium and cover and cook till the radish is done. So after cooking covered for almost 4-5 minutes, this is how it looks. It's semi-cooked in a way, and at this moment when the oil has separated from the masalas, I'm going to drop in hot boiling water. I've increased the heat and I've put in the water there, and as the water boils, I'm now going to drop in the pieces of fish there. It's as easy as this. In fact, as you can see, Assamese cuisine uses very less masalas, and then still we have wonderfully delicious and nutritious food. Now I've covered it up and let it cook on very high flame for almost 10 minutes. This has been cooking on for almost 10 minutes now. You can see it's nicely cooked up in a way, and now we're going to do something else, that is try and mash a few of the potato mixture there, so that the entire dish will become the gravy will become thick. So we'll mash the potatoes properly inside the curry itself. We'll also drop in a pinch of garam masala. And in fact, this curry is done. This consistency will just remove the bay leaf and the spice, that is the red chili, and then this consistency is fine to go with any steamed rice. So that's my dish for you, hol masor logot mular anja. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a like and a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.